Happy Tuesday, Divine Kings and Divine Queens. Divine Jam Queen at the park. We're having a lunch at the park today. Me and the Majesty, glamour girl, glamour girl. Anywho, I got some, let me get it right, crispy crunch chicken. We got some wedgies. And they have some new stuff. He says the baby back hot sauce chicken strips. I want to see it. There we go. Let's try it. It's all red and stuff. You want to see it again? There we go. Like, share, subscribe. This is good. It's not too hot. Just right on. Barbecue sauce. Hot sauce on there. And it's crunchy. With some wedgies. Don't forget, I love you with the Most High God. He loves us so much. Oh, she made a mess. Bye. Peace.